Hi everybody, my name is Bob Beaton. I'm the Electronics and Robotics instructor here at Whittier Tech. This is one of the areas that we're doing some soldering. That is something that the freshmen do, but I think it might be a good idea to show you the freshman project and what the ninth graders accomplish in their time that they spend here at Whittier Tech. This is an example of the projects that the ninth graders do during exploratory. It works on introducing them to some basic hand tools, basic soldering, and just getting an understanding on how a basic circuit should work. As sophomores, students in the program are introduced to AC and DC circuit theory. This includes an introduction to electricity and electrical safety. Junior year is consisting of semiconductor devices, which are diodes, transistors, and other semiconductor devices that we learn the theory and how to build circuits with. During senior year, students are introduced to digital electronics. This starts with basic digital gates and works into more advanced digital integrated circuits that have the ability to control circuits like this. Seniors by this point have been using this trainer for 3 years. This is typical of a senior project. It's very neat, it's very organized, easy to troubleshoot. Sophomores and juniors work to attain these skills, and hopefully by the time they're seniors, they're producing circuits like this. I just want to take a second to thank you for stopping by my shop, and if you have any other questions, please email us and let us know.